CIO Minister response to Mnangagwa over handing over country to Tsvangirai allegations. Sanapenda mashoko buda panguva ino Didmus Mutasa achikomenta pamusoro allegations ekuti aiwa he handed over the country to Tsvangirai mugore 2008. About subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipinda msimu aimo udanyi kwa mchinzi. As he marks his 89th birthday, Zimbabwe's former state security minister and Zambia founding elder Didmus Mutasa has broken in silence, responding to claims by President Mnangagwa that accuse him of abandoning ZANU-PF and whipping clean his office in order to hand over power to the late MDC leader Mugen Tsvangirai after the disputed March 2008 elections. In a rare and defined 17-minute interview extract aired by ZIM, Mutasa dismantled allegations, calling them a complete fabrication and insisted that he remained committed to ZANU-PF throughout the turbulent post-election period. There was no truth, there was no integrity, it was a lie, totally untrue, Mutasa said, in reference to Mnangagwa's accusations. Key takeaways in red. Mutasa denies fleeing the country. Number 1. Number 2. Says elections were not fought for in office. The elections were being done in rural areas. The counting was done there. Number 3. Challenges Mnangagwa's authority in 2008. I was Secretary for Administration. I was his senior. He could not have sent me. It was a lie. Number 4. Reviews Mugabe's administration of defeat. I got there and found the president very unhappy, and he told me, "We have lost," Mutasa said. Number 5. He says ZANU-PF deception began after results. Mutasa also slammed what he called misguided press manipulation, recalling how the Rhodesian press once printed his photo with a white beard and declared he was now finished. He revisited the deep distrust many young liberation era leaders held toward Mnangagwa. The veteran politician also cast doubt on Mnangagwa's liberation credentials, questioning how he could have bombed a train and still been transferred easily between prisons. Ndomashoko anobuda panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi aiwa Didmus Mutasa otaura achiexplosa uya achiexposa aiwa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa achikana maexplosives nekudhinaya mamwe allegations ezvimwe zvaakauya achireverwa achiti aiwa manyepo. Vena comment section yedu tidzimafungiro enyu mutidii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.